Theirs was a love marriage, but things did not go well for the couple. Finally, there came a day where both decided to separate. But the husband had a different plan in mind. What was his plan, and did he succeed? Take a look.
Sunil and Sakshi, a married couple, decided to separate in 2012. Sunil agreed to hand over a certain amount of money which would help Sakshi take care of herself and their child.
Shweta, Urf Sakshi Sunil Raikar. I got married to Sunil Raikar on 10/7/2009, and for 2 years of our marriage it was good, relation went on smoothly, but later my in-laws and my husband started ill-treating me, harassing me for the sake of extra dowry, and I tolerated it, but and my mother-in-law also started doing some black magics and all. Okay, then fine, even that I tolerated, and later I delivered a son on 30/8/2009. Now he is about 5 years, and in 2012, my husband had already filed a divorce petition MC 86 in the family court of Belgaum.
Sunil, though, did not stay true to his promise. He did the unthinkable. Not only did he cheat his wife, but also the court. What was it that he did which neither his wife nor the court could detect? Sunil's master plan. As Sunil had mutually agreed with Sakshi to separate, he took advantage of the situation. He got her to sign blank stamp papers. Sakshi did not know what Sunil was up to and signed the papers without questioning him. Little did she know that her husband had a wicked plan in mind.
I had no idea about it, I did not know about it, and then on one fine day, 13/5/2012, he assaulted me very badly for some household reasons, domestic violence reasons, and when he assaulted me, I lodged a complaint at Mahila police station, and after that my husband and my father-in-law, they got arrested, and they did not wanted this police matter to continue further, so they all called their elders of the community, and they called for a settlement after some 4 days, and they tried to settle in front of the elders, some 20-25 people, they settled the matter, and they took my signatures on dissolution of marriage by mutual consent, and they took my signatures on blank wakalatnama.
Sunil executes his plan. Once Sunil got the blank stamp papers signed, he mentioned in them that Sakshi was harassing him, and that was the reason for the divorce. Sunil had also thought up another devious plan. He hired his own lawyer Beena Achar as well as her senior. Beena would fight the case on his behalf, while a senior lawyer would fight the case on Sakshi's behalf. So what did Sakshi do about all this? Nothing. Simply because she had no clue as to what Sunil was up to. Sunil had plotted all this without Sakshi's knowledge. You must be wondering what Sakshi did when she was summoned to court. Well, there's the twist. She did not have to appear in court. The reason? Sunil had made arrangements for another lady to impersonate Sakshi in court. Sunil's plan worked perfectly. He won the case and the court granted him a divorce.
After some 6-8 months, they took time that they will be fulfilling, saying like that, but they never fulfilled any settlement. And then through the mediator who had taken the responsibility of the settlement, when we asked him like what about the settlement, so how many days more they want, then he also went to them, Riker family, and asked what about the settlement which was to be done. Then my husband and my father-in-law said that Now we have already got the divorce from the family court and we need not do any kind of settlement.
Sakshi finally stepped into the picture 2 months later. It had been a long time since she and Sunil had mutually agreed to separate. So she asked him for a divorce and for an out-of-court settlement as well. That was when she got the shock of her life. Sunil showed her the divorce papers.
To know from him that they have got the divorce decree, we were shocked, like how it is possible, like without receiving any notice from the court, or I had no idea about that he has already filed the case, and how can he succeed in getting the decree of divorce. And that's why I had never stepped the court also. And then I went to the court on April 2012. I came to know that 2013, sorry. April 2013, I came to know, after verifying the court files, I came to know that he has obtained the decree of divorce.
Sakshi immediately approached the High Court seeking help. After a thorough investigation, it was brought to light that Sunil had produced fake documents to obtain a divorce. Not just that, he had also cheated the court. The High Court on July 9, 2014 ordered the Belagavi District Family Court to dismiss the previous divorce petition and start a fresh hearing.
Seeing the order sheet and order sheet of the file, I came to know that he has colluded with his advocates and he has obtained the decree of divorce by playing fraud on the court, by impersonating some other lady on a particular day. And he has shown my presence, and that's how he has managed to obtain the decree of divorce. And after that I went to High Court with an appeal and I filed the MFA 22031, and it was filed on 27th May 2013.
The court has also booked Sunil for fake proof under IPC section 193, for cheating under section 417, for impersonation under section 419, for wrongdoing to another person under section 426, for forgery under section 464, and fraud under section 468. The High Court has also ordered the Belagavi District Family Court to book separate cases on Sunil for committing the crime.
On 9th July 9, 2014, after all the hearings and procedures, the High Court judge, the Honorable High Court judge, passed an judgment order, and in that he has made all the findings. In the orders, he has made the findings that all the fraud and all that was done before the family court, and by doing impersonation, fabrication, forgery, and other things.
Sunil though seems unaffected by all this. He has already tied the knot with another woman.
What I wanted was justice by all means, because without having the knowledge or without participating in the court procedure, he had deceived me as well as the court, and he had obtained the divorce.
ತಮ್ಮ ಮುಖವಾಣಿ ಬಳಸೋದು ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವರಿಗೆ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹಾನಿ, ಒಂದು ಏನು ಅನ್ಯಾಯಿಕ ಪ್ರಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನು ಆಗಿದ್ದಾವೆ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು, ಜನರು ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಜನರು ಕೌಟುಂಬಿಕ ನ್ಯಾಯಾಲಯಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ತಾವೇ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸಿ ತಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಪರಿಹಾರವನ್ನು ತಾವೇ ಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯಾಯಿಕ ತತ್ವ ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಕಳಕಳಿ ಈ ಪಕ್ಷಗಾರರು.
With the case starting afresh, Sakshi believes that she will get justice. Shrikant Kubakaddi for News9, Belagavi.